Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. Do I have a new AI project for you guys today? I do. It's called Neural AI. It's a fully decentralized platform and it's basically empowering the future of finance. So, what is Neural AI? Well, basically what they're doing is they're using cutting-edge AI technology to analyze markets, trends, and provide investors with very valuable insight, basically on copy trading from big whales and other markets. They're looking at things that are trending on, social medias and platforms, things that are, getting ready to explode because, well, it's getting out there in social trends. So there's a lot of interesting facets to this project that I'm very bullish on. Like I said, me personally, AI projects right now are the hot topic in crypto. I've said this before. I've made several other videos on this. I've made a lot of videos on other AI projects, and they're doing 5, 8, 10x in sometimes a matter of days or weeks. And this is a great way for us to grow our portfolios and actually gain some true wealth. And our Patreons are getting this information first. So guys, don't underestimate becoming a Patreon here at Cryptopia. We have 2 tiers. We have our VIP Discord chat for $20 a month, and we also have our Inner Circle, which is $100 a month to get buy, sell, stake alerts. And trust me, our Patreons are making some amazing buys because they're seeing these videos first, they're getting these buy alerts first, and I'm telling you guys, anywhere from 4, 5, 10, up to 30x in a period of a couple of days on a lot of these projects. So people are making insane gains. So don't underestimate it. If you want to get in on the ground floor for a lot of these projects, go over and check out our Patreon. So a little bit more on Neural AI, guys. I am bullish on this project. I like what they're doing. Like I said, they have some great partners. They're partnered with PinkSale, DexViews, Binance, Dex Tools, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They've got some great partners. The other great thing is that they are launching on the Binance Smart Chain and on Ethereum. They just launched, I think, on Uniswap today or yesterday. So they are making some moves. Another thing that I really like about Neural AI is that there's no buy and sell tax. A lot of these new AI projects that are coming out have buy-sell tax, which is fine, but it actually inhibits them from getting on decentralized exchanges because a lot of the centralized exchanges don't like the buy-sell tax stuff, and it's difficult. So the nice thing about Neural AI is that they do not have buy-sell tax, meaning that they're going to be able to get on centralized exchanges a lot easier. And when that happens, trust me, projects like this will absolutely go to the moon. All right, not financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. But me personally, I'm very bullish on this project. Anything that can help investors make an extra few bucks, like I said, minutes count in crypto. And if you can get notifications like, hey, this project is trending, it's getting ready to take off, you should look at it. Basically, this is stuff that can make us a lot of money in crypto because, like I said, minutes count. Literally a project can be up 100% in a matter of a half an hour or less. So just something to keep in the back of your head. Not financial advice, but I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, what I do, and why I like this particular project. So let's talk a little bit about the token price, and the tokenomics of it. There's basically 1 billion tokens altogether. Neural AI has a total supply of 1 billion tokens. At the time of recording this video, token price is sitting at 0.0012 cents, so just over a tenth of a penny. I mean, very, very cheap, very affordable, with a market cap of roughly $1 million, okay? So, guys, this has so much room for growth. Like I said, for this thing to do a 10x, it only needs to get to a $10 million market cap. So for this thing to do a 100x, $100 million market cap. So you can see the upside to this. I personally invest, what I can afford to lose, but I am personally putting $1,000 into Neural AI at the time of recording this video, and I will be taking profits on the way up for full transparency. I do this on all of my crypto projects. I'm telling you, I'm holding over 230 crypto projects right now because I use them as piggy banks. This is my thought process. I get into a project like this. It does a 3-4x. I pull out my initial investment plus a little extra. I take those funds, I get into a new crypto project. I'm sitting on a free moon bag. If it goes to 100x, I'm very happy. If it goes to 0, I've lost nothing. and I'm able to use projects for a piggy bank. That's basically it. And I have a very large piggy bank because I'm holding a lot of projects that I've taken profits on, and I'm now playing with free money. So that's just my own personal strategy in crypto. Like I said, it's not for everybody. Some people say I'm crazy. Some people say you should only have 10 cryptocurrencies, but to each their own. I'm just telling you my strategy. So that's why I make these videos, to share with my viewers, share with my community, share with my Patreons, my personal strategy, my feelings on crypto, my experience, the things that I'm doing. And if you want to follow me, great. And if you want to get some further insight, join our Patreon, okay? We'll leave a link in the description below. Like I said, amazing people over there. Buy, sell, stake alerts. You don't want to miss out on it. We've got crypto multimillionaires to crypto novices in these groups. And the crypto millionaires are helping the beginners, saying, hey, this is how you set up your MetaMask. This is how you stake. This is how you do this. This is how you do a cross-chain swap. We're all in there helping each other grow. We're making a great family, a great community. And the idea is that we all grow together. And that's really what Cryptopia is all about, making a positive impact on the world at large and truly trying to change people's lives. So if any of that sounds interesting, please join our Patreon. We look forward to seeing you over there. So Cryptopians, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a big favor. Hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification. And I hope to see you over in our Patreon chats. All right. Have a great day, Cryptopians. And one last thing. Big favor. Don't forget to smile. And we'll see you soon.